Hi, this is Six String Steve. Welcome to my channel. Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. Looks like Wednesday, March 2nd. We're going to have some high winds. Here's a map showing the wind gusts in the southwest Arizona area. We got possible 50 mile per hour wind gusts. That's pretty high winds. I'm going to zoom in and show you a little bit closer detail of this map. In this area is the Quartzsite area. As you can see right there, it's showing at 2 p.m. Wednesday, wind gusts of 48, 43 in the early evening. So in those ranges, I would say probably between 45 and 50 mile per hour wind gusts is probably what we should expect. Now going further south in the Yuma area, we're going to have some close to 40 mile per hour gusts. This map isn't always totally accurate, or this is the Windy app, but it is pretty close, I've found out. And I've been watching this for a couple days just to make sure it is accurate on several different weather apps and forecasts, and it looks like it's going to be. So be ready for that if you're in the Quartzsite, Yuma, Blythe area, even all the way up to Lake Havasu City in Arizona. Now here's a look at the overall satellite view of the US. And again, this is the Windy app. You can also look up windy.com, and it's got some really great features for the weather. I like to go to it. Now looking at this is pretty cool. This is a satellite view zoomed in a little bit. That's mainly Colorado and Kansas, and now looking at Oklahoma. You can see up in Kansas there, the western parts of Kansas, you can see the snow on the ground currently. And you can see the movement is the clouds. Cloud cover moving from north to south, northwest to southeast. There's a look at Nebraska. So zooming in further here, here's that snow patch running from Colorado, of course, over into Kansas there on the right. And here's some more snow cover in Colorado. It's going to be interesting to see the change come Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're going to get another big time winter storm system rolling through, and I'm going to do some more satellite views of that and show you how that looks before and after the snowfall. So yeah, there's a pretty cool view of some clouds, and that's my face. Thanks for tuning in, and like and subscribe. Have a great week.